Hello, this is the final test video questions. I chose question number 3 about the trampoline, and it was asking how high the girl would bounce up if she initially displaces the trampoline by 0.2 meters. So to solve this, I first started to find what the work that the spring trampoline is doing against the girl. To do that, I use the equation work equals half k x squared initial minus half k x final squared. And I decided that the final displacement of the spring would be 0 because it would come back up to normal, so I could just ignore that part of the problem. It would just cancel out. So then just by plugging in the values that I have, which is the spring force constant, which is K, is 3,500 newtons, and the displacement is 0.2 meters, I put that into the equation and I got a work of 70 joules. I didn't do that work and kept in mind that the potential energy in comparison to work is just the opposite of the work. And I then use that potential energy, which is the gravitational elastic potential energy, which is potential energy equals mass times gravity times y, which is the height. I then plugged in my values with potential energy, the mass, and the gravity acting on them, and I found that the displacement, the girl would go up 0.36 meters. If her cousin, who weighs more, 35 grams, were to do that, she does not reach the same height. And yeah. I use these equations. I looked back on the work and I found that you have to, with what I have, I know that I needed to find the height using mass and gravity. And as the girl goes down on the trampoline, her potential energy is increasing. And so I knew that if I could get the work done by the spring that will launch her back up, then that means I could get the height out of that equation. And the answer again is 0.36 meters. And yes, thank you.